Hello, everyone. This is Liz Janowski with Sonata, and I just wanted to hop back on here and let you know how my bioidentical hormone replacement therapy has been going. So, I have been on the bioidentical hormone replacement therapy for myself for I would say about 2 weeks. I have been using a cream and a pill that our nurse, Amy Jackson, prescribed for me after I did my blood testing. I have a previous video on here. My blood test showed that I had very low levels of estrogen and very low levels of testosterone. So when you have very low levels of estrogen and very low levels of testosterone, symptoms can vary, but symptoms I was experiencing were things like low energy. I was feeling really tired all the time. Um, and I'm a person that also has insomnia, and I believe that that was related to maybe having low hormone levels. I was also feeling abnormally anxious. I was saying things like, my kids doing things that were irritating, but I was feeling like extra irritated about it, or, something that would stress me out at work, or something that happened interpersonally would just really, really, really upset me. And I was also feeling like maybe I was having a harder time building muscle mass or losing weight. These were things that were bothering me. I was also losing a lot of hair. These are all things that can be hormone related things. Um, and so when I tested my hormones and Amy found out that I had very low levels of testosterone and estrogen, she put me on a cream that has estrogen and testosterone in it. And she also put me on a pill that has progesterone because you never want to prescribe estrogen without progesterone with it because that is protective of both your heart and reduces your breast cancer risk. And progesterone has the benefit of helping you sleep. So that's awesome since I am not, I usually fall asleep really well, but I often wake up. And I can tell you, I have been sleeping a lot better. So that is amazing for me. That right there is helping my moods feel much more even. And I have been feeling a lot less anxious, so I feel awesome. I can also say that um, I feel a lot less anxious. I feel like a reduced vitality. I can't say that, you know, moods are obviously like a very individual thing, but I have been feeling like much more even. I'm feeling more energetic. I'm feeling like more alive and vital. Feeling good. Like I'm feeling like I'm handling my stress a lot better. I'm just about to get come up on my the beginning of my cycle, so I'm on kind of like what should be my like PMS time, and I'm feeling like a little edgy, but like a lot less like I'm about to bite someone's head off or cry today, which is probably good for everyone around me. So I can say like no bad side effects, only positives here, and I can't wait to continue. I mean, it's really easy. My prescriptions were extremely inexpensive. I think they were like $20 for both of them. They came literally within 2 days. I don't know if that's for will happen for everyone. I think it depends like how close you live to the pharmacy. I live in Colorado, which most of our patients would as well. So that was fantastic. Getting my prescription set up was literally a 10-minute phone call. Um, and then they will be on auto renew. So that was amazing. The blood test is literally a finger prick. So they pricked the side of my finger, got 10 drops of blood. So, I mean, this was all an extremely positive experience. We've had some patients say things to us like, my mother went through perimenopause and menopause, and I just need to go it alone too. And yes, I am also a person who wants to age. Um, I want to feel all the things about getting older, but also you do not really need to go it alone. There's so much support for you. So get some support. I believe in getting support. I believe in having friends. I believe in exercising. I believe in eating well. And I believe in having this support for you as well. So get some support. You do not need to feel like crazy. You do not need to feel like unsupported. There are so many things your hormones affect. I just made an infographic about this. Watch it. Wow, your hormones affect so many things. And the other thing I didn't know is that perimenopause starts so early. Menopause is defined as not having your cycle for a year, but perimenopause starts really soon. I am about to turn 45 tomorrow, and I'm 44. So I believe I've been having perimenopause symptoms since maybe 2 years ago. And this could last like, I don't know, 5 years, who knows, 7 years. But this is a long, long, long cycle, just like becoming a teenager and moving into adulthood is a long cycle. So um, I don't want to feel like this for 8 years, 10 years, who knows? So get some support. It's a really straightforward process. And then you can really, we retest you because your hormone levels continue to vary, but support is available to you. I want you to know that this is not covered by insurance generally. The insurance industry has not caught up to supporting women or generally men. Men tend to be supported more quickly with things like this because, but it's really not that expensive. We try to make our program incredibly affordable because we want you to be supported. But get some support. Um, it's worth it. So that's my testimonial. Many of you know Jeanette much better than you know me because I am a very back office person. But she's going to come on and speak about her experience. She's been on the hormones a couple months longer than me. And I'd love for you to hear from her as well. So thank you. We look forward to supporting you and have a wonderful day. And I'll have a great birthday tomorrow.